Good morning. Today we are going to see new topic in Power BI. Topic name is Transpose. So let's start today's assignment. First we have to upload data in Power BI. So click on Get Data, Excel Workbook. File name is Video-11. Click on Open. Sheet name is Transpose. Then click on Transform Data. So we have data of different cities from of population from 2021 to 2024. So here in transport tab we can see transpose option. When you take a cursor on transpose option, it shows details. So basically transpose this table, it gives treating rows as a columns and column as a rows. So it basically transpose rows into columns and columns into rows. So I'm going to click on this button transpose, and you can see the result. But it's a wrong method to apply transpose on any table, because transpose basically apply on the rows, not on column headers. So this method is wrong. So first we have to click on use headers as a first row, means demote the headers as a first row. Now click on the transpose button, and now you can see rows converted into columns and columns converted into rows. Then you have to again click on use first row as headers. So here we have successfully applied transpose option on our data. So this is done for this transpose concept. So please like, share and comment on our videos. Please subscribe my channel Jobs at Punyanagari. Thank you.